Do you want to do natural freckles on your client but not sure how? I'll show you. Hey guys, it's Emily here. I'm a master artist and instructor here at Elite. We're going to talk a little bit about freckles. So this is one of my favorite procedures and one of my specialties. My favorite tool to use for a freckle procedure is this freckle pen. It's just like a little felt marker. You can buy them on Amazon. Super easy. My favorite thing that I like to ask my client to do is to find a picture on Google, or maybe they have like a friend who has really cute freckles, and I just want to see like what their idea of freckles is, because everybody, you know, maybe one person wants just like 10 little freckles right here where somebody else might want like a full face. So I like to like get an understanding first before I start mapping out the freckles. When I do ask my client for a like photo representation of what they're looking for, I try and honestly like copy the freckles as close as I can. Like I'll just look at the photo and I'll draw a few freckles, and I'll look at the photo, draw a few more freckles, and just try and copy it like the best that I can, so that way I'm giving them exactly what they want. As far as color selection, I like to use pretty much the same colors. I like to like add a few little modifiers depending on the client's undertone and, you know, their skin tone, whatever Fitzpatrick they are, it all depends. But my favorite colors to use are gonna be martini olive. It's like the lightest brown that we carry. I also like to add a lot of soft yellow and nutmeg with martini olive. You want your color to look like kind of like caramel or butterscotch. And then I always recommend testing the color of the pigment on the client. So just like do a little patch test, spread it out, make sure the color like goes well with their skin tone, undertone, everything like that.